Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 7 Best Commercial Refrigerator in 2024.
Top 1.
KoolMore RIR2DGD54 2-glass door commercial reach.in refrigerator cooler with LED lighting, 47 Cu foot, stainless steel. Reach-in refrigerator. This beautiful glass door commercial refrigerator will keep things cool and organized in your restaurant kitchen. Reach-in 2-door cooler for you to reach culinary success. Built to last, crafted of high-quality stainless steel, the 2-door glass front refrigerator looks great and is easy to clean. Glass doors and LED lighting make keeping track of inventory a breeze. Space-saving plus spacious. A spacious interior with 6 deep adjustable shelves for maximum storage is economically maximized not to crowd your kitchen. Unit dimensions 54L x 32 1/4 W x 82 1/2. Cooler features: external digital temperature control and display, auto defrost, 4 casters that make it portable and easy to move, convenient bottom mounted compressor, temperature range 33 to 41 F.
Top 2.
KoolMore CDC5 CBK35 NSF commercial countertop refrigerator display case merchandiser with LED lighting, 5.6 Cu foot. Increase impulse buys. Bright LED lighting and front curved glass will highlight your most enticing goodies. Place the countertop refrigerated display case at the checkout counter and watch as the treats fly off the shelves. Space efficient. Set the display cooler on a counter or tabletop and save valuable floor space in your bakery, cafe, coffee shop, or convenience store. Overall dimensions 34. 6L x 22. 4W x 27H. Adjustable shelves. 2 adjustable chrome-plated rust-resistant shelves allow you to showcase a variety of desserts, pastries, cakes, beverages, yogurts and fruit cups. Digital display. The digital temperature display and controls will ensure that the merchandise is always kept fresh and ready to sell.
Top 3.
52 double 2-door side-by-side stainless steel reach-in commercial refrigerator, 49 cubic feet, for restaurant. Stainless steel, 2-door reach-in refrigerator, lock fitted with door locks. Digital controller, capacity, 49 cubic feet. Pre-installed casters make the unit easy to transport, while pre-installed shelves enable you to easily organize the items you're storing. With 3 adjustable shelves that can each hold up to 155 pounds, this commercial reach-in refrigerator can store several hundred pounds of products and measures 51.7 x 31.7 x 81.3 inches. Environmentally friendly refrigeration system. Self-contained balanced refrigeration system for efficient operation even under the most extreme working conditions. Air-cooled maintaining product.
Top 4.
Glass 2-door upright display beverage cooler merchandiser, 35 cubic foot 45 wide. 80 tall x 45 wide x 28.5 deep including handle, 35.3 cubic foot capacity. Adjustable shelf. Digital controller, double-pane self-closing doors and LED lighting. Customizable canopy.
Top 5.
KoolMore 29 stainless steel solid door commercial reach-in refrigerator cooler, 19 Cu foot, RIR1DSS19C. Reach-in refrigerator. This beautiful one-door commercial refrigerator will keep things cool and organized in your kitchen, cafe, or bakery. A reach-in cooler that enables you to reach culinary success. Sleek, shiny, easy to clean, crafted of high-quality stainless steel, the KoolMore single-door commercial cooler looks great and is easy to clean. Top-level craftsmanship makes this a durable unit. Space-saving plus spacious. A spacious interior for maximum storage is maximized economically not to crowd your kitchen space. The 4 pre-installed casters and brakes make it portable and easy to move.
Top 6.
Tylza outdoor refrigerator 24-inch wide, stainless steel beverage refrigerator 176 can for undercounter built-in or freestanding, for home and patio, waterproof, fast cooling. Quick cooling outdoor refrigerator equipped with a powerful and efficient compressor-based cooling system. This outdoor refrigerator offers unparalleled cooling power that rapidly chills your daily groceries and favorite beverages. Even when fully loaded, it can reach a refreshing 37 degrees Fahrenheit in just 6 hours. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks whenever you want, and indulge in refreshing moments with this exceptional beverage fridge. Built to last outdoor fridge anti-corrosion, anti-rain, and anti-rust. Built for durability and versatility, our beverage refrigerator features outdoor rated 304 stainless steel construction with an IPX4 waterproof rating. Top 7. 48W commercial refrigerator 2-door 2-section stainless steel reach-in solid door upright fan cooling 36 Cu. Foot cooler for Restuarant. Powerful compressor, commercial refrigerator with Cu-by-gel compressor, Carrel controller, fan cooling system, automatically defrost, need no extra tube for condensing water. Efficient refrigeration cooler temperature, 33 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.5 degrees Celsius 4.5 degrees Celsius. Digital temperature control is convenient for you to set the temperature easily. The temperature can be monitored in real time through the LED display. Professional design made of stainless steel inside and outside, durable and durable. The surface is specially treated without fingerprints, saving cleaning time and increasing work efficiency. Reach in 2 solid door designs, 90 pounds loading capacity per shelf, 36 cubic feet storage room. The unit comes with 4 casters, it's convenient for you to move it when you need it.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.